Welcome or welcome back to another Sunday practice. Let this space be a moment for you to slow down and to release some anxiety. We'll begin with a few gentle movements to help release tension, and then we'll ease into the breathwork practice. If you're new here, welcome. I post weekly soothing practices every Sunday. It can be a nice way to start your week feeling a little more grounded. And if you'd like to know how to support the channel, stick around until the end of the video. So let's begin. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, the one of your choice, wherever your spine is tall but relaxed. Imagine a string gently lifting the crown of your head towards the sky. Ground your sitting bones firmly into your seat. Let your shoulders soften down away from your ears, releasing any tension and stress. Chin is parallel to the ground. Place your hands gently on your thighs or in your lap. And bring your eyes to a gentle close, if that's comfortable for you. Take a moment here to check in. How do you feel right now? Really start to notice where the anxiety lives in your body. And before we move any further, choose a simple intention for this practice. One simple word. And let this word be your anchor. A sweet reminder to come back to. Let's start by taking a moment to ease tension in the neck, a place where anxiety can easily get stored. So slowly drop your right ear towards your right shoulder, feeling a gentle stretch along the left side of your neck. Keep your shoulders relaxed and away from your ears, and make sure to not let the spine collapse. Use your right hand to gently massage the muscles along the left side of your neck with your knuckles. This can help stimulate the vagus nerve, which supports your body's natural relaxation response. Take a few slow, calming breaths here, feeling the muscles soften with every bit of pressure. And when you're ready, bring your head back to center on an exhale and repeat on the other side. Left ear towards left shoulder and gently massage the right side of your neck. Don't forget to breathe. And on an exhale, come back to center. Now bring your attention to your shoulders. On an inhale, slowly shrug your shoulders up towards your ears. Let the tension build for a moment. And on an exhale, quickly release them back down, feeling the weight drop away. And try that again. Inhale, shrug up, hold and tense, and quickly release them back down. One more time. Inhale, shrug up, hold, and exhale, drop down. Now bring your awareness to your hands. Inhale through the nose, slowly make fists with both hands, squeezing just enough to notice tension build. Hold the breath and the fists tight, and exhale, release, letting your fingers unfold completely. Do this 2 more times at your own pace. Remember to breathe deeply. And now finally you can gently shake out your hands, your arms, your head, whatever feels right for you right now. It can be just a light, easy movement. It's just to encourage any remaining tension to soften. Remember to breathe And don't get too caught up on how you look. Take one deep breath in, deep into the belly. Feel the ribs expand, moving the breath up all the way into the collarbones. As you shake a little bit more, and exhale with an extended and audible sigh through the mouth. The sound signals safety to your body. And release. Sit in stillness for a moment to notice how your body feels after these simple movements. Now bring your hands back to rest softly on your thighs or in your lap, and begin to notice your natural breath. No need to change anything just yet. Just feel your belly gently rising as you inhale and falling as you exhale. The breath is natural and light. Now let's practice a simple breath technique called Chandra Bhedana Pranayama, which simply consists of inhaling and exhaling through the left nostril. This breath helps to soothe the nervous system by inviting deep rest into the body. So use your right hand to gently close off your right nostril with your thumb. And from here, take a slow and light inhale through your left nostril, feeling the breath move softly into your belly. Everything go on a gentle, extended exhale through the left nostril. Keep your breath really easy and effortless. Nothing is forced. It's all natural and smooth. Inhale left, 2, 3, 4, and exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue at your own pace, keeping the breath relaxed and steady. If your mind wanders, gently bring your attention back to the subtle sensations of your breath moving through the left nostril. And you can also ground through the counting, inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 8. Feel how the breath is naturally activating the parasympathetic nervous system, a state of rest and digest. You're almost there. Just continue to allow the silence to soothe you. I know it can feel a little uncomfortable, but you're doing great. Once you've fully released your next exhale, bring your right hand back down, letting both nostrils breathe freely again. And just take a moment to absorb the effects of the practice. Now bring your hands together and rub your palms gently, creating some warmth. Slowly place your warm palms onto any areas of your body that still feel tight and anxious. Maybe it's your chest, your belly, your shoulders. Really take a moment to pause on each one of these areas. You're able to viscerally feel your own support, allowing your own touch to soothe you. Notice how comforting this really subtle heat is on these areas. And now place your right hand on your left shoulder and your left hand on your right shoulder, and gently press down, drawing your shoulders slightly away from your ears while keeping your spine tall and long. Hold here for a few breaths, feeling the grounding pressure. And release your hands back onto your thighs or in your lap, and take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Return to your intention from the beginning of the practice and silently repeat your word again, like a whisper in the back of your mind, allowing it to continue settling into your awareness. And whenever you feel ready, gently begin to bring movement back into your body. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe stretch your arms up towards the sky, or roll your shoulders back a few times away from the ears. And slowly open your eyes, landing into this physical space again. Thank you so much for sharing this practice with me today. And if this video helped you, consider liking this video, leaving a comment with your intention or how you feel, subscribing for more Sunday sessions, and sharing with a friend who might need a little TLC today. If you'd like to support this work, I've set up a Ko-fi page. There's no pressure at all, but that's where you can send a tip if you do feel the call. And I'll see you next Sunday for another soothing practice. Until then, take it slow. Bye.